We are going to install Docker in Ubuntu server. Now, if you have Ubuntu already installed, you can follow up in the terminal. But if you have Windows, for example, you can install it in a VirtualBox or in Hyper-V. Let's talk a bit about what Ubuntu server is. This is an LTS version. LTS stands for long-term support. And this version is a stable release that receives software updates, maintenance, and security patches for an extended period of time, usually 5 years from the date of its initial release. This extended support window is particularly beneficial for enterprise environments where prolonged stability and security are crucial factors. Now let's discuss a bit about the benefits of using Ubuntu Server with Docker. So Ubuntu Server doesn't have an user interface, which makes it lighter. It is also a smaller image, 2 gigabits versus 3 or 4 gigabits if it also contains an user interface, and also will consume less resources. The Ubuntu LTS releases offers a stable and secure foundation, thereby amplifying Docker's inherent isolation features. Docker is developed and tested to work well on Ubuntu. In fact, Ubuntu is often the first Linux distribution to be supported by the Docker features. In the following segments, we are going to install this Ubuntu server image on a virtual machine.